For the record, I'm Argentinian. Alright? What do you call a Mexican? Writing a paper. Go on. What do you know? Guess.
I don't know.
An essay. What do you call two Mexicans in bed?
One on one.
One on one. What do you call a Mexican without a lawnmower? Dun dun dun. Unemployed.
What about the Chinese thing?
Wanna know why Chinese people's eyes are like this? Because when the kids come home, they're asking my mom, what's for dinner? And she says, rice. The kids go, oh no, not again.
That it?
Wanna know something else?
What?
Out, no, I'm thinking. That'll be it for today's segment of jokes. See you in a few minutes. Bye.